Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Nest app and revoke access to third-party services, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your device and locate the Nest app. On Android, tap and hold the Nest app icon. A menu will appear. Select Uninstall. Confirm the action when prompted. For iOS devices, find the Nest app on your home screen. Tap and hold the app icon until it wiggles. Tap the small X that appears on the app. Confirm the deletion to remove the app from your device. Next, open your web browser and navigate to the Google account page. Sign in with the account linked to your Nest setup. On the left side, click on Security. Scroll down to Third-Party Apps with Account Access. Click on Manage Third-Party Access. Locate the Nest app in the list of connected services. Click on it to open the options. Select Remove Access to revoke authorization. A confirmation message will appear, confirming the removal. Be sure to check for any other third-party services you want to revoke. Repeat the removal process for each service as needed. Return to your Google account settings page. Review any additional security settings or connected apps for further management. Now, your Nest app is uninstalled, and third-party access is successfully revoked. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.